Put down. Put down. He put down the book. He put down the book. Don't put people down. Don't put people down. Put up. Put up. They put up a tent in the garden. They put up a tent in the garden. He put up his hand to answer. He put up his hand to answer. Put out. Put out. He put out the fire. He put out the fire. Please put out your cigarette. Please put out your cigarette. Bring up against. Bring up against. He was brought up against many problems. He was brought up against many problems. They were brought up against the wall. They were brought up against the wall. Look into. Look into. The police are looking into the case. The police are looking into the case. We will look into the matter later. We will look into the matter later. Look over. Look over. She looked over the report. She looked over the report. Look over the document carefully. Look over the document carefully. Look through. Look through. He looked through the book quickly. He looked through the book quickly. She looked through the photos. She looked through the photos. Look down on. Look down on. Don't look down on others. Don't look down on others. He looks down on poor people. He looks down on poor people.